Hello friends, I am pleased to talk to you and moreover I will recite some of the poems that I have composed myself. Let me give a brief introduction. My name is Rotash Gupta. I am Professor of Zoology, ZOOLOGY, Biological Sciences. I have retired as Professor and Head of the Zoology Department from Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra in India. Science is my subject. Research work I have done in the field of biology, especially wildlife. However, after retirement, poetry has become my passion. And so far, I have composed around 5 poetry collections in the last 5 years. And this is one of them. The name of this book, poetry collection is Confluence of Flowers. That is the junction of flowers. And I love flowers in my life. And moreover, I would say, according to me, and if somebody goes through the entire this collection, then one would say that each poem in itself is a rose flower, which is beautiful to look at, and which is full of glamour, and which is also full of color, and which is full of the aroma also. As continuing further, my today's poem is Destiny in One's Life. That is, there are 7 stanzas, and the poet analyzes as to what is life in the context of destiny. In European countries, or for that matter, in Americas, in the North America, people might say that there is nothing like destiny. Life is life, and life is minus destiny. However, if one tries to understand the relationship between, there is a relationship between destiny and life, and it is a latent relationship. And life without destiny is an empty box where there is no contents in that box. And on the other hand, if somebody says life is a sort of box, and something that is enclosed inside is the destiny. So I have say around 7 stanzas, and I will take around 5 minutes. I will read out the first stanza, and for your benefit, let me summarize the first stanza for you. In this first stanza, the poet says, destiny and life are complementary with each other. And he further argues, the poet, that if destiny is a ship, then life is a deep ocean. I will now read out for you the first stanza, and thereafter I will further go one by one and giving you a very little introduction about each stanza. First stanza is, destiny and life are complementary. If destiny is the ship, then life is a vast deep ocean in one's life. In what way destiny will script itself is good luck or bad luck in one's life. Bit by bit, happenings of life are encapsulated in one's destiny of life. Life proceeds ahead in space of time, and destiny unfolds itself on the turf of time in one's life. Life is the album of images of one's life. Life is the album of images of one's life. Destiny projects in seriatim. In seriatim means one after another. Destiny projects in seriatim events one by one in one's life. Vision and judicious insight may moderate its course of life's course. Yet, destiny is written in indelible ink. Destiny is written in indelible ink in one's life. The relationship of destiny and life is quite latent. The relationship of destiny and life is quite latent. Life is lived in a routine way of one's life. Destiny is a magician's box of coded information that unfolds itself as if commandeered by luck in one's life. Myriads of peoples in thousands of years have traversed the path of life as per the norms of destiny of one's life, but life may be short or long duration. Destiny is a bold imprint in the dictionary of laws and bylaws in one's life. Who prepares these coded commands? Who prepares these coded commands, and what are the alphabets of this divine script, and how the commands of coded language are decoded, and what is this mechanism? It is a mind-boggling question in one's life. Last paragraph, last stanza. Life is now he is given, the poet is a sort of drawing a lesson from this poem. And what is the lesson? The lesson is, the moral of this poem is, life is one time divine gift in one's lifetime. Life is one time divine gift in one's lifetime. Let's pray to our destiny that it does show grace in our lifetime. Our life is a sheet of white paper. O destiny, thy scribbling on this shall change my vision in my life. Destiny and life are complementary. If destiny is the ship, then life is the vast deep ocean in one's life. In what way destiny will script itself, its good luck or bad luck in one's life. Thank you so much.